What's up, everybody? D'Angelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I wanted to make this video for you guys on your landing pages. So, a lot of people will do something just like this, right? So, this is super straightforward. You click this button right here, you go to the CPA offer. Like, that's it. That's the entire thing, right? Now, you can take this like an even step further and you can start doing something like this. So I put together this website here, and basically it'll take them through a quiz. So instead of it just being like just straight up click a button, go to a CPA offer, you can have it where you ask them a couple of questions, and then now you're like, do you want to start a business or do you want to get hired remote, or do a remote hire or whatnot. So then this will go through, right? No matter what they click, is gonna say do the same thing, but it's gonna go through this whole thing right here. We got our reviews right here, and then it's going to populate a bunch of different offers, right? And then on top of that, when they click an offer on this page here, my internet's a little slow at this hotel, but anyway, when they click an offer, one of the offers show up, like show right here, right? So this is a ClickBank offer. They can click this, and then I also have it set up to no matter which one that they click, it will automatically load another one in the back end as well. So when they finish that offer, and they go back to close out the screen, it'll be loaded up with another offer right then and there, and you'll be surprised how much extra money you can make with that. All right, so let's go back. All right, so then let's say they choose the start a business tab. Now this would say basically how much are you willing to invest. So now they'll be able to go right here, click how much they're willing to invest. Then same thing, we got some reviews matching with the businesses and such. And then as you see right here, this right here, this DoorDash offer comes up. So if they do the DoorDash offer, I get paid like 50 something bucks for that. There's normally another one here. Must not, just for some reason this didn't show up, but there's a bunch of them that I have in there. All right, so depending on how much they say that they're willing to invest, it will show them a bunch of different CPA offers in the making money online niche, as well as some ClickBank offers and stuff like that. Yeah, like I said, the hotel's Wi-Fi is a little slow, but you guys get the point. It's pretty much the same thing as the other one. Once they click one of the offers here, again, it'll go into a new tab. Then it'll also update into another tab as well. And then if you want to make it even more like deep, what you would do is you would have your landing page. So you can build out something like this right here, right? But you would get their email, or if you ever go to those websites where it says those push notifications, every single time someone goes to that page and they click yes, you can send them a notification right to their phone, right? But anyway, once you do that, you get their information or whatnot. It'll follow the same process. It'll send them to whatever pages through the funnel, and then of course eventually they end up at the CPA offer. But now that you got their email and you know that they're looking to make money online, or a work from home position or whatever that you're promoting, you can then follow up with them literally endlessly with a bunch of more different type of CPA offers. All right, so then you can build. So if you really want to get into it, what you would do is you would build out another offer that like looks super legit, nothing spammy, like a straight up work from home job. So you would build this out yourself, and then you would take that page, and then once you build out that entire website or whatnot, that's the email that you're going to send out first. Like, hey, this offer is paying out $24 an hour, entry level position. You don't require a degree. Make sure you put in the application right away. So, and then it's not going to be spammy. There's like nothing like at all. So you're going to be building a crap ton of trust from this very first one right here. Oh, okay, man, I got to really pay attention to what it is they were posting, right? And you can also promote something else as well, like something you don't get paid for. Like it can just be like any other type of regular, legit work from home job, as well. And yeah, but anyway, basically that's what you want to do. And then from there, that's when you're going to start, putting in your CPA offers, or, like, hey, market's a little dry right now. Try this if you need extra money today. Basically anything like that. And then that's going to be your second one. Then so on and so on and so on again until you find more people. I mean, until they unsubscribe from your email list. And then you quite literally can just make endless money off of this right here. Now, I will say though, if you build out a list and like you become the face, like so a lot of people don't want to show their face, stuff like that or whatever. Now, if you build out a whole email list and you sell like because people will buy from you. It's like how I got a Team D'Angelo course, stuff like that. People will buy from me because they'll see like 7 years back, 10 years back, however long it's been at this time. At this time of making this video, you'll see years and years and years and years and years and years and years of process and trial and error and failures and success and all type of stuff throughout this entire time. And they're like, okay, I like his message. I like the way that he speaks, or I like the no BS route. Or you might be like, nope, he's a little bit too more abrasive for me. That's not for me. And then they go and find someone else that's a little less abrasive or whatever. And then they, pick up something from them or whatever the case may be. You get what I'm saying? Once you become the face, people will just buy from you. So you'll get way more returns when you go this route. But 99% of people aren't going to do that for whatever reason. Maybe they don't believe in what they're promoting or whatever the case may be. But anyway, yeah, this is going to be the route right here that 99% of people go. But yeah, once you do that, you get their email, you can follow with them like literally forever. Like your first email could be like just a confirmation email and just showing them like the stuff that they had clicked. Oh, it finally loaded up. But yeah, you see right here. All right, so they would pay $9. I think I actually got a conversion for one of these yesterday. They pay like $9, you get 36. Like you can't go wrong with these guys. Like they pay stupid money. Like this right here, 19.95. I'm pretty sure all of these where they pay like $9, I get anywhere from like 20. I think it was 27 to like 50 something per conversion. All right, and it's $9. So a lot of people will do that. Like I said, as long as you send the traffic, it will convert. That's the biggest thing, Like, and then you got on when someone clicks 0, right? I got it set up to where it will just show them some of the offers on the Get Hired Remotely page. All right, but anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. Just thought I would give you guys a little bit of sauce here on making your landing pages better, because a lot of people want to just go straight to the money. You don't want to take the effort to build out the second website that you can use just simply, and it's going to serve you zero purpose. Now you can throw a couple of Google ads on there as well. And stuff like that. You can add some CPA offers on the display, stuff like that as well. But like just in the straight up grand scheme of things, it's not going to really do too much for you. But a lot of people won't even take that hour or 25 minutes or how long it's going to take you to build out that website just so you can have another, step on the way up to success or whatever you want to call it. But anyway, again, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell.